You're watching the fastest weekend ever sweepstakes. One Piece will sail again after these messages.
Hun is on the run to rescue Karai from the evil bishop, or else she's gonna fry. There's crazy danger, the turtles lend a hand, but can they survive when Bishop's in command? Check out an all-new Ninja Turtles coming up next. Hun is on the run.
Well, looky here. It's Bullseye Ball. You got these little silver balls and a mini trampoline. All you gotta do is bounce the balls into the target to get your high score, and that's it. Oh yeah, one more thing. You only got 30 seconds.
Yeah, it's Bullseye Ball. You're taking aim, bouncing balls, and nailing the bullseye. Faster, the clock is ticking. How high can you get your score?
Yes! The world champ!
All right. Can you beat it?
Go! Bullseye Ball from Tiger. The race. The score is on. Battery's not included.
A bizarre sensation is sweeping the nation. Millions of kids have fallen under the cinnamony, swirling spell of new Kellogg's Mini Swirls Cinnamon Bun Cereal. The taste of sweet whole grain cinnamon buns swirled tight into deliciously crunchy cereal-sized bites. A captivating part of this complete breakfast. New Kellogg's Mini Swirls Cinnamon Bun Cereal. A truly mesmerizing taste.
Look at that! Activision retro video games are racing, storming, and kabooming into Burger King. There are 4 Activision retro video games in all. One in every kid's meal, only at Burger King.
It's the fastest weekend ever sweepstakes with the fastest episode of Sonic X ever! With the fastest episode of F-Zero ever!
Yeah, baby, yeah!
But the fastest weekend ever doesn't stop there. We're introducing Simon Speed Talker!
Super fast talker, quick man. My grandma and a walker. All morning long, I'll be talking super fast. What'd he say?
You could win one of 5 Nintendo DS systems!
Sweet! To enter, log on to 4kids.tv by March 4th and let us know what Simon said, and you're entered for a chance to win.
Me will enter, you will win. Fastest weekend ever sweepstakes, only on 4Kids TV.
He said it's the fastest weekend ever sweepstakes, all morning long, only on 4Kids TV. You're watching 4Kids TV. Now, back to more One Piece.